in just a few casual Blitz game. And this is obviously a kid because he literally has kid in his name. Muhammadzokhid. Okay, let's hit him with the London system. See what he does. What you're gonna do now? This? Really? Okay. C3, bishop D2. It's this shit. I don't like this. What can I do now? It's so boring. Why am I doing this? Analysis is busted on Proctor? Really? What am I doing? Like, am I trying just to be like slightly worse with white? I'm probably succeeding. A lot of funny sounds coming from my son in the background. But trust me, he's not helping with the game. He's eating porridge right now. Which is a bit of a journey. I mean, anything is fine, like Queen A7, for instance. It doesn't even have to trade. I'm just playing like a total idiot. At least he's spending a ton of time. I mean, even take C4 and it's fine. Yeah. Well, that was a quick way to get worse with the white pieces. This too? You're being very greedy, sir. I'm not sure. Ugh, he's got A5, doesn't he? Knight of 3. This knight is pretty bad. Just gives me some tactical options. Yeah, knight of 3. Here. Keys. Key. Go here. I'm assuming he trades. Now if his knight was somewhere else, this would be excellent. But now, can I not take the pawn? Take G4. What is wrong with that? I think that's excellent. I think my guy just got tricked. As one German candidate said, ach, immer diese billige Blitz-Tricks. I enjoy that a lot. He didn't fall for my trick. Like, why am I playing for tricks now? That's just dumb, to be honest. Just play normal. I could have just gone knight d6. Instead, I just wanted bishop d5, h6. Like Moran. Yeah, this is probably completely unclear now. I mean, that is just like too moronic to be true. King g6, f4. Should still be better, but come on. Why? Just got carried away. No, I should take first, shouldn't I? He's got queen, rook e5. It's like incredible silliness coming from the other room. What a delight. Okay, I have some ideas. I think those ideas are not very good. Oh, look at h5. Those ideas are good. I'm a genius. Look at this. Brilliant. Brilliant. Here, boom, back, rook g4, checkmate. It's not every day you see him